ene kandarathi aria maraka thoko itiganite kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ta thoko ya Juja, Kihara na Gikuyu ni mahetwo mukana wa kiumia kimwe gukorwo marikitie wira wao kwaga uguo matunyukithio kandarathi icio na iheo andu angi ni gwikururia wira-ini wao. Mukana uyu urutitwo ni County Commissioner wa kaunti no Wilson Wanyaga uria ugite ati kamiti ya uthii wa na mbere na ukinyaniria kaunti-ini no ndigwitikira andu maragucia thirikari na thi hari uthii wa na mbere.
We are not going to allow ourselves to push contractors who are supposed to know what they are supposed to do. They are given work, they are given timelines, and they are paid for what they are supposed to do. So we will not continue pushing them. Those who are not able to do what they are supposed to do will be pushed out of the sites.
Akiaria hindi ya kunyabara thoko itiganite kaunti-ini no Wanyaga ugite ati mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni aratanyitwo guka kuhingura imwe cia thoko ici muthi wa mwambiririo no kwaya kurariririo kuona ti ndeku.
Others, Ruiru, we are happy with the work, we are happy with what the contract has done, and I think it's ready for opening. I'm not impressed with Kihara, of course, and of course even here I'm not impressed because we were hoping to open the 3 markets on Monday.
Augete ati thoko ya Kihara gaciria ni ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 180 irikitie gicunje kia 60 hari 100 na yambiriirie miaka 2 mihituku. Ya Juja yaruguririo mwaka umwe muhituku na irikite gicunje kia 80 hari 100 na iria ni ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 200 no ya Ruiru iria ni ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 255 ni ndikuna no hingurwo ihinda-ini oro riothe. Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa waki wa nyumba Benjamin Njenga na uria urugamirire waki wa thoko ici ugite ati ene kandarathi ya macereirwo kurikia wira wao na mieri 3 na gutire megukorwo makirihwo matarikitie wira uria mahoire.
We are quite disappointed by the progress of Kihara, Kikuyu and Juja market, but as the commissioner has said, we are coming back on Sunday to see the progress. And if the contractors are not able to meet the expectations of the employer, they will be pushed out of the works.
Augete miako ino ni ya unyitaniri na thirikari nene na bengi ya mabũrũri kugerera Metropolitan na ahũri biacara aria marutururirwo thoko-ini ici cikiambia gwakwo metereire na wetereri munene. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV kaunti-ini ya Kiambu njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Wanjikũ.